research indicates that all human ancestry can be traced back here to Africa. Hence, we are all brothers and sisters with the same blood in our veins. How then can we not share the same dream? With the far shores of globalization, we can find that shared ideal called humanitarianism. I believe it, I dream it, and I'm sure you join me. Thank you very much indeed.
Le phénomène d'élimination physique des albinos n'avait jamais existé au Burundi. Aujourd'hui, par un courant qui nous vient de la Tanzanie, eh bien, on a assisté à des massacres de quelques albinos au Burundi, et la Croix du Burundi a décidé de lancer une campagne très forte de plaidoyer en faveur des albinos pour que tout le monde, le gouvernement, les pouvoirs publics, l'administration, la société civile puissent se mobiliser en faveur de la protection et de la réintégration des albinos au Burundi.
If you strengthened the youth department, you've strengthened volunteerism, and if you strengthen volunteerism, you've strengthened the national society. So that's a very key point.
My national society is involved in creating awareness about HIV/AIDS and showing the young people and all the old people how they can stay safe from the HIV scourge, and also how to avoid this cross-generational sex, so that they can stay safe and they can avoid behaviors that can lead them in, the risky behaviors that can lead them into getting some diseases and maybe falling into trouble.
Actually, the contribution of youth in the General Assembly is in terms of policy formulation, because we're trying to look at what are the frameworks that are available, what is the agenda for the youth in terms of developing the federation of the future. Yeah. So I think that is the specific area that the youth are more interested in. What is it that we can do to contribute to the overall goals for the federation? Yeah.
Mr. President, on behalf of the winners of the Henry Davidson Award, I would like to express to you and to the Government Board our heartfelt thanks for the trust and respect bestowed on us.
Recevoir un prix est toujours gratifiant, certes, mais recevoir le prix du développement du volontariat pour récompenser nos efforts et notre dévouement l'est encore plus que toute autre distinction, puisqu'il touche au plus profond et au plus essentiel de notre organisation. J'ai nommé nos volontaires.